I didn't plan for this. I was pregnant, but I didn't want to be. I didn't know who to talk to and where to turn to when the test came back positive.
The shocker was all the information I found online, and I even had a chat with 2 AIs.
I found it difficult to figure out which information was false and which was accurate or reliable. That's when I came across Allie, the safe abortion chatbot, hosted on howtouseabortionpill.org.
Hi, I'm Allie, a digital tool that helps abortion seekers search for and obtain reliable information on how to safely use the abortion pills. With me, there is no judgment, no stigma, no shame, just accurate information that can empower you to make informed choices when having an abortion with pills. I am available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, regardless of your location and whether it's a holiday. And all this for free. I can guide you whether you're deciding to have an abortion with pills or are looking to support your loved ones through their abortion with pills. I can provide you with information about calculating weeks of gestation, how to use abortion pills, what to consider before, during, and after an abortion, where to seek additional support in your country, and when to seek medical attention if necessary. Chatting with me on the website, howtouseabortionpill.org, comes with extra benefits like privacy and security, as your chats cannot be retrieved. To start a chat with me on the website, simply click on a chat window with my icon, and I'll automatically appear on the lower right side. You can also find me on WhatsApp via Facebook Messenger and on Instagram DM at HTUAbortionPill. For French, La Pilulefar, and for Spanish, Como Abortaris. I work on any mobile device or computer with internet access, and the best thing is that you can chat with me anywhere in the world. Plus, I am a polyglot. You can chat with me in English, Hindi, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Swahili. I am here to provide you with reliable information no matter where you are. With just a couple of clicks, you can chat with me so that you or your loved ones can make informed choices on your bodily autonomy.